COSWHEEL R19 versus HappyRun G300. Which one should you buy? If you're deciding between the COSWHEEL R19 and the HappyRun G300, both are excellent electric bikes, but they cater to different riders. The COSWHEEL R19 stands out with its premium build quality, full suspension, and motorcycle-inspired design. It's built for comfort on longer rides and rougher terrain, making it a great choice if you want a more refined riding experience. The HappyRun G300, on the other hand, focuses on value. It offers solid performance, good battery range, and a powerful motor at a more affordable price, making it a great option for commuters and first-time e-bike buyers. Overall, if your budget allows and you want a more premium ride with better comfort, the COSWHEEL R19 is the better pick. But if you're looking for the best value for your money without sacrificing performance, the HappyRun G300 is hard to beat. Either way, both are capable e-bikes. It all comes down to your budget and riding needs.